संसडो गार्बेज डंप हाताळपाक ब्लॅक होल टॅक्नॉलॉजी आपणावची म्हण सरकाराक सुचोवणी दिवपाचेर मडगांव पालिकेची बसका जाली.
Basically, whether we should recommend to the government implementation of this black hole technology to handle the Sansado garbage dump. Now, some of us had gone to see this black hole technology in Bangalore, and what we have realized is there the kind of a garbage that comes is basically the day-to-day waste. But the nature of our dump is completely different because it has got mixed construction debris, it has got glass material, it has got plastic, it has got rubber, it has got all kinds of waste. I think there is a complete DPR done on the waste that is there at the dump. So our concern here is the dump, not the day-to-day waste garbage. So today's meeting was whether we should recommend or ask them to implement this to the urban Goa Urban Development Ministry. But the council feels that, and some of the councillors feel that they should see the dump again and see the whole technology. Fair enough, and they also feel that because our nature of the dump is different, let us call the people involved in this technology, let them give a PowerPoint presentation, which actually I have scheduled in the month of July. They have not confirmed the dates as yet, but I think we should have a very foolproof thing, whereby we convince everybody if this has to go ahead, and that people are also convinced about this technology if it is needed to be implemented. This has been a problem that is haunting actually all Madgaonkas, all the political leadership that has been there till date. So I think it's a problem that has become an inherent part of all of us. And I think all of us, when we say yes or no to a certain thing, it is basically because we all feel that we need to find a solution to this.
जो मेरेन ह्या विशयाचेर राजकारण बंद जायना तो मेरेन संसड्या वयलो प्रश्न सुटावो जावचो ना अशें वैयक्तीक मत सावियो कुतिनो हांणी उक्तायलां.
हो जो संसड्याचो प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट परतून जाल्लो आहा, जे टायमार कोमॅक्स हें जें काम करतालें थिंगा, कोमॅक्स 1998 आमी सेटअप केल्लो आनी ह्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टा अंडर म्युनिसिपालिटीक ₹1 फारीक करपाक पडनाशिल्लें. तेमी शेड सेटअप केल्ली प्लस ते कंपोस्टिंग करताले थिंगा, आनी कंपोस्टिंग करून जो दोंगर आशिल्लो त्या टायमार तो दोंगर ग्रावंड लेवलार पूण ग्रावंड लेवला परस सकयल पाविल्ले ते, आनी इतलें तें क्लीन जाल्लें थिंगा 2 वर्सां भितर 2-2.5 वर्सां भितर. पूण आमचे फाटल्यान जे कावन्सील येयलें ताणें तो गोल्ड मायन म्हण पळयलो. म्हळ्यार तांकां दिसलें की ओल्ड गार्बेज जी कंपोस्ट करता ताजेर तांकां इनकम आसा, भरपूर फायदो आसा, आनी गोल्ड मायन म्हूण तांकां बंद केलें करपाक. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी एक्चुअली एज पर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तेणी आमकां सर्टन पर्सेंटेज दिवपा आशिल्लें म्युनिसिपालिटीक, बट म्युनिसिपालिटीन ₹1 फारीक करून त्या प्लांटाक. आनी त्या टायमार साकून आज पासून जितली कोटी ह्या संसड्याचेर मोडले आहा ते ह्या कारणाक लागून. हे कॉमॅक्स सपोज चलताले हे भाशेन जाल्यार संसडो हे भाशेन दिश्टी पडपाक नाशिल्लो. आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी ऑथॉरिटीक फक्त टेंडराचें काम जाल्लें जाय, फुकट केल्लें कोणा नाका. टेंडर म्हणल्यार आख्या जगा खबर आहा टेंडराचेर ह्यार कितें जाता तें. सो त्या कारणाक लागून आज संसडो सफर जाता आनी हो इशू कंटिन्यू उरता. आनी म्हाका दिसता हो इशू कोणाक सॉल्व जाल्लोय नाका, कित्याक हो इशू सॉल्व जाल्यार मागीर मडगांवान ह्या इशू व्हडलो उरना. सो ताका लागून कंटिन्यू दवरपा जाय आनी ताका लागून हें सगळें जाता. सो इवन आतां जेन्ना 17 crores 18 crores तूं मोडपाक अनाउन्समेंट करता, मुगेल माय गट फिलींग इज दॅट इवन इफ दी 17-18 crores इज केप्ट इन फिक्स्ड डेपोजीट, द मंथली इंटरेस्ट that is earned is sufficient to solve this problem there. But it requires a will. So long as there is no will, everybody wants to make only politics out of it, this problem will never get solved. It's my conclusion.
Ardex Goa Bureau Report.